Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stenevec along with Carol Master. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg News earnings specialist Rachel Hua. She joins us here on this Monday afternoon. There were so many stocks.
I know, it's a month.
That
There's a
had
lot.
stories today. It was like an embarrassment of riches for anyone who's looking for stories about individual movers. What did you settle on?
Yeah, so I think the biggest name today was Oracle, ticker ORCL. The shares kind of went up today after one of the analysts, David from DA Davidson, upgraded the stock to a buy. It says, it's kind of, he's been talking a bit about OpenAI. We know that Oracle has been building data centers for them, and there's been worries about OpenAI. The competition between them and Anthropic and Google, and so they kind of see that like OpenAI still has kind of quite a runway to go, and it's planning to raise more cash, and so Oracle should be okay. And they also feel that all the worries about software products, people not wanting them because of AI, people are not going to just suddenly like be vibe coding. Oracle, which also produces a lot of the software, should still kind of be okay.
Have you done any vibe coding?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
I think I need to. I just need to figure out what I need to code and try it out. I would love to try this.
Would you?
Yeah. Figure out whatever. Joe Weisenthal on Oddlots did like a big one. And
what did he do?
I don't know. I didn't understand it. It was over my head.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, it is kind of fascinating what you can do. I'm just going to say that overwhelmingly, there's 76% of the analysts who follow Oracle have buy ratings. So there's 39 buys, 11 holds, and just one sell on Oracle. So still pretty overwhelmingly upbeat on this one. All right, from Oracle to Workday we go.
Yeah, so this is the other software stock that's also been a little bit hammered by all the worries about AI. And today it kind of saw its shares fall again by nearly 10% because it's actually replacing its CEO, Carl Eschenbach, with co-founder and someone he used to lead the company with, Aneel Bhusri. People are just kind of not sure what's the new direction Bhusri will take. They were happy with Eschenbach, even though the stock has been hammered. Bloomberg Intelligence said they think Bhusri might push further into AI products, but I think for now there's still just some concerns about the transition.
Gosh, this is what, a 154. The stock was what, like 270 back in 2021?
Yeah. No, this move has been wild.
Right? I mean, it's really been...
It's down 45% from 2025 from 2024 highs. Mm-hmm. Sorry, 50% from 2024 highs, 45% just last year.
Yeah. All right. So transition or... Yeah, definitely some new folks in the C-suite.
Okay, speaking of a big decliner, Kyndryl having its worst day ever.
Yeah, it's been the worst performer of the S&P mid-cap index. So I think most of us don't know have never heard of this company. Its ticker is KD. It's actually a company that was spun out of IBM about 5 years ago, kind of doing its infrastructure services business. So it shares more than halved after the company said it is investigating its accounting practices, how it manages its cash, it discloses its financials. I think this is huge for the public. The company also said that several of its senior executives, including its CFO, have left as well. So question marks remain over this company.
It's just getting killed. Wow,
yeah,
that's a big drop.
The move today was, there were like volatility pauses on the downside.
Yeah.
The
there was some stoppage in terms of trading, right?
Okay, should we talk groceries?
Yeah.
What's going on at Kroger?
Yeah, so maybe a little bit more of a good news in the management changes. Kroger's shares are a little bit higher today after it named a new CEO, Greg Foran. He used to head Walmart's U.S. business. And this is good news for Kroger's investors because they have been kind of looking for stability at Kroger's. The company, had a huge failed merger with Albertsons. Its former CEO had to leave because of personal conduct. And a lot of investors are happy with Foran because he helped to turn Walmart's U.S. operations around back then. So people are optimistic about him. But we also know that, grocery is a pretty tough sector right now, and Kroger is much more complex than Walmart. It has multiple chains, for example.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio Live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.